Read. Read.
Two lines intersect each other,
See here, if two lines intersect each other, if two lines intersect each other,
then the vertical or opposite angles
I should prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle AOC will be equal to what? Angle AOC will be equal to angle AOC will be equal to what? DOB. Okay. Similarly, angle AOD will be equal to angle AOD will be equal to COB. This angle and this angle, this and this, vertically opposite angles. Getting or no? This and this, this and this. I should prove that if two lines are intersecting, means vertically opposite lines will be equal. Vertically opposite angles will be equal. Okay. So this I should prove. Now how I can prove it here? First, I will take this and this. Okay. This angle and this angle. Angle AOC plus angle COB. How much it will be equal to? How much it will be equal to? This angle plus this angle. Why? AB is line or no? CD is also line. So, angle AOC plus COB, they both are. If I add this both angle, I will get AOB. AOB I will get or no? So it became a line. So it is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. Linear pair. Understood or no? Similarly, now take this and this angle. Angle COB plus angle BOD is equal to how much? This angle plus this angle. Again 180 degree. Again I got a line. So that is equal to 180 degree. So why? Linear pair. So this is equal to 180. This is equal to 180. Can I say this is equal to this? So therefore, angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to angle COB plus angle BOD. Yes or no? This is equal to 180 degree. This is equal to 180 degree. So this is equal to this. So what can I cancel? Both the sides angle COB as well. Correct? If this goes this side, it will become minus angle COB. So COB cancel. So what is remaining? Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. One thing I already got or no? Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. One thing I proved. Next, what I should prove? I proved this now. Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. This I proved. Now I should prove this and this. This and this. Okay, I will tell you how I am taking angles here. Now this and this I will take this and this angle AOD plus angle this one DOB is equal to how much? 180 degree. Linear pair. Next I will take this and this now. Angle DOB plus angle BOC is equal to y? Linear pair. Getting or no? This plus this is equal to 180 degree. This plus this is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now, if this is equal to this is equal to this, then this is equal to, correct? So, angle AOD plus angle DOB is equal to angle DOB plus angle BOC. Now, what can I cancel? DOB I can cancel. Therefore, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. angle AOD is equal to angle 0. Understood or no? Now how did I take the angles, that you should understand. I got the answers, but what angles did I took means here. How to remember means. First I took this angle, this two I took, this plus this is equal to 180 degree. Second, idadme gilbari, this plus this you take. First you start from here, this plus this 180 degree. Second, this plus this is equal to 180 degree. Then this is equal to this. Cancel agi, idu mat idu bandbidide. Second, for this one what I did, I came here now. I took this and this. Simple it is. First you take this and this. For second one you take this and this. You will get the answer. That much you remember. Understood that? Clear? First you add this, you will get 180 degree. Add this, you will get 180 degree. This cancel the part. This one will. Second you take this and this. This will get cancelled out. This and this will be your answer. Understood or no? Our type techniques madkori. Okay, right? Understood or no? I proved both the angles are vertically opposite.